Ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Hey everybody, this is the Digital Asset Investor, and yesterday I took my son to the UGA baseball camp in Athens, Georgia. That's University of Georgia, for those of you that don't know, and it was a good experience. Had a good time, and now I'm back, and so let's take a look at, if I can get my mouse, okay, let's take a look at what's been going on. The last 20 or 48 hours or even more has been pretty crazy. I believe that XRP in the last 3 to 5 days has gone from somewhere around 84 cents to as high. I haven't even looked how high it went. Let's take a look where it's been. It's been as high as $1.35 over the course of the last 48 hours. Pretty unbelievable jump right there. That's almost a 50 cent jump inside of 4 or 5 days. That should put things in a lot of perspective in terms of where this is all going, okay? And I'll tell you my thoughts on it in this video too. Wanted to show you this. This is Coin Paprika, the return rates. Look at XRP, 56% in 7 days, 111% in 30 days. We're minus for the quarter because of the SEC lawsuit, I guess, but then 329% for the year, okay? And if you look, that's better than Bitcoin, which is all the media talks about. So XRP has outperformed Bitcoin, and Bitcoin doesn't have a lawsuit, so that tells you that people know what's going on. They know what time it is. Also, Cardano's been going crazy too. In my opinion, out of all of the digital assets in this thing, you can see a pattern here. And I believe that Cardano and XRP are the ones that deserve their returns more than any digital asset. Now, look at Hex, look at that, and look at Dogcoin, and just think to yourself, these are nothing. And this one's a literal joke. These are nothing compared to what XRP is and what the guys at Ripple have been working on use case wise for XRP for the last 8 years. It should put this in perspective. If this joke and this can do that in this year, and this one's been held back by an SEC lawsuit, just think about that for a minute. Now, I think I actually summed it up here. XRP's up over up 315%. Dogcoin's up over 8,000. What you've seen the last few days in XRP, I meant to say, is nothing. Okay, I don't know what happened to the typing there. The market will ultimately right all wrongs and jokes. XRP was always the one. And then I had tweeted this out yesterday. You have to wonder if someone knows something about a certain SEC lawsuit. You know, we know, I've shown you those clips where Bitboy says that he's being told that the lawsuit comes to an end by mid-September. This is one of two things, in my opinion. This is either that rumor going around, or there actually has been one and the prices are starting to go up because people behind the scenes know. I hope that's what it is. But the price is not, the price is going to go up when there's an announcement, but there will be price spikes that lead the resolution of that SEC being announced, and that could be what we're watching now. Okay, I also said this: no digital asset deserved to hit all-time high more than XRP in 2021. All of the majors did except the one, thanks to the SEC. All-time high won't be denied. I do believe that. And then Ant had a great tweet here. Well, things are looking good so far, but get ready for settlement. Once Ripple gets that settlement, I can see every money transfer company switching back. Every bank that had to wait to hear the all clear, you're going to see rises like no other token has ever done in history. I agree with that. There's a lot of different, a lot of these chart guys are now coming and weighing in on what they're seeing in the charts after the run up we've had. So I'm going to show you some of their thoughts. Joker, XRP TP update. The new pattern targets $3. Okay, that's what he says in this one. Then here he says fundamentals are way behind technicals. The chart shows you way before any news comes out. XRP $14, XLM $13, and Digibyte, which is his thing, $1 are not my final targets, but they mark an important milestone. Investing is all about discipline and patience. And then Craig DeWitt from Ripple said, tweeted this out: wait until folks figure out XRP's utility is much bigger than only payments. XRP Ledger does way more. You gotta love that. All right, and then Crypto Wizard. Now, this is a guy that's got 69,000 followers. $1, $40, $65, $82, $2, $2.78, and then down here he says $3.50 thereafter. In fact, I was telling my sons yesterday that there was a lot of people that are predicting that we pass the all-time high and hit $5 and beyond soon. That feels about right to me. About 3 years ago, when we had the run-up in XRP and then later the crash, I told my sons that when XRP got to $5, I would buy them a dog. Well, we still don't have a dog. My kids have never had a dog. But when it does hit this, we will buy a dog, and it will be named Ripple. They say they don't want that name, but I may stand firm on that. Okay, Crypto Bull. XRP has been following this extending channel perfectly since July of 2020. It looks like we will see XRP above $5 by the end of August. Boy, do I hope he's right. Okay, and then Dark Defender weighed in on this. Deer's XRP hit $1.34 yesterday. We expect $1.17, broken out towards $1.47, and it's happening. I see the room on the RSI, which can carry XRP between $1.43 and $1.96 still. Our support is now $1.17 and $1. I'll also share my updated long-term expectation. Enjoy your day. Okay, and then I wanted to show you this because it was interesting. The other day, I think I showed you where Jeremy Hogan was asking Gary Gensler to give us a simple answer as to whether Ethereum is a security or not, yes or no. Well, what's interesting is Brian Quince from the CFTC replied to him and says a futures contract on a security is in both the SEC's and the CFT's jurisdiction. A futures contract on a pure commodity is only the CFT's jurisdiction. There is currently a futures contract on Ethereum. It is only under the CFT's purview, which makes Ethereum a non-security commodity. So he's calling it a commodity. But at least this guy from the CFTC is giving an answer, which Gary Gensler and the SEC will not do. And they won't do it because they can't do it because this Ripple lawsuit. They're in a box of their own making. Okay, watch this. This is Bitboy yesterday weighing in on what's going on with XRP and Cardano. Well, hold on a sec. He may just be talking about Ripple and XRP on this one.
Nothing wrong with a little XRP army love. Guys, $1.25. Right now, XRP is at $1.25. I didn't think we would see this quickly. You guys know I told my dad to buy a bunch of XRP around 60 cents. He's already doubled his money on that, over doubled his money. So it's been fantastic to see. And I think we're going to see this run up continue. Cardano and XRP right now are both running away from everything else. Cardano now firmly in that number 3 spot, about $3 billion ahead of Binance Coin at the moment. I think that lead is going to stretch out a little bit more. We could have a time where it snaps back a little bit and then continues, but I do believe that XRP will be right up there at number 3 or number 4 before you know it. As far as Ripple goes, something really interesting we've never seen for Ripple before. Right now, the GitHub activity for Ripple is actually higher than the GitHub activity for Bitcoin. Big things are coming for Ripple. Big things are coming for XRP. Look, the price has been suppressed. We know that. Here's the cool thing, though. The cool thing is that this run that we've seen from XRP over the last 24 hours, it's not been news fueled. Now, I've told you guys before that I've been told that the middle of September, kind of the same time for the smart contracts on Cardano, the middle of September, this SEC lawsuit should be settled, and we should be moving on from that. That's when we're going to see some fireworks. But I was also told that things are advancing very rapidly right now, and we may see that happen even sooner than previously thought. So this week, next week, we could see the SEC lawsuit taken care of. I'm looking around the beginning of September. If we're going to see something happen there, it could happen at that point. So definitely something interesting to watch if you're in the XRP army and you're wanting to get some massive gains. I mean, you're already getting massive gains. Am I right? You're already getting massive gains right now.
All right. I don't talk in terms of massive gains. He talks kind of like a trader. That's not why I'm here. I've been holding since 2013, and so I'm here for I'm here for a dynasty. I am not here to make a couple of bucks and trading in and out of anything. Okay. Now he said in that video that the Ripple GitHub activity had exceeded Bitcoin. So XRP Crypto Wolf came in. He said that XRP development activity skyrocketed. XRP Ledger's team is now submitting the highest GitHub activity rate in XRP's history. And then I wanted to show you this. I was watching, I think Mr. BXRP brought this to my attention. Charles Hoskinson and Michael Arrington, Michael Arrington is the venture capitalist guy that's best friends with Brad Garlinghouse. They got into it over Bitcoin. Now, I am of the opinion that Charles Hoskinson is 1,000% right on this one, but Michael Arrington he says himself that he's a Bitcoin. He's in the religion, I think is what he said. But anyway, they were getting pretty heated in this, so I thought I'd show you this fight.
Burning timber. And
well, I don't burn timber to mine Bitcoin. I think that as far as I know, the only proven way to secure a crypto network is through proof of work. The only proven bulletproof way.
What burden of proof do you want? We've written dozens of papers. The scientific community is okay. We have networks worth collectively.
I need more dozens of papers. I mean, look, I think what we need.
They're running. They're live. They're not hacked. There's never been a consensus problem. There's collectively more than $100 billion of value secured. At what point does the burden of proof occur?
Yeah. Well, no, look, it's a good point. We can't debate it now, but you're wrong. I think you're wrong deep down, but also you're financially incentivized to be wrong.
You're wrong. We know you're wrong. No, I know I'm right because
actually, Charles, I'd love to talk about this, but we don't have now is not the time.
I'm going to arrange it. I'm going to get Charles and Mike, and we're going to talk about proof of work versus proof of stake. I think this needs to be a show.
It's really not a debate at all.
Bitcoin. ETH is priced in Bitcoin. Every trader looks at ETH priced in Bitcoin. Until ETH is no longer priced in Bitcoin and Bitcoin is priced in ETH, if I had to choose and I couldn't do 50-50 ETH Bitcoin, I'd go 100% Bitcoin. It's the alpha and omega. So
I'm gonna arrange a show one day with Mike and Charles, and we're gonna talk about proof of work and proof of stake, because it seems like this is unfinished business. And that's the only way I can describe it. It's unfinished business.
If I lose a debate to a man in a poncho, I'm going to be embarrassed. So we're going to have to figure out what we're going to wear.
Become an NFT, and we're going to sell it for $50 million.
Arrington's a pretty aggressive guy. Okay, I wanted to show you all that on Link2, one of my sponsors, Link2 sold out again of Uphold private equity. They added Uphold on it, sold out again. Their Link2 sold out again. Ripple sold out. There's only Kraken available, and which is kind of surprising because Kraken is the first, some of you may not know this, it is the first crypto platform that got a bank designation in the United States. So this one is like all these blockchain related things. They keep selling out, and there's a reason behind it. Everybody knows this wave is coming. Okay, and I want to remind everybody, if you have an Uphold account, you're able to buy the Link2 private equity with your digital assets. Like you could like with XRP. Let's say with this run up. Let's say you were selling XRP. You can literally buy, if you're accredited, You could buy, like, for instance, if Ripple Equity was on the platform, and this is pretty ironic considering the SEC is suing them, you could literally buy Ripple Equity in the company which is a security. You could literally buy Ripple Equity with XRP, the digital asset, on Link2's platform. So go figure. And also, many of you whose XRP is going up in value, you might want to check with Link2 again, because some of you that weren't accredited before may be accredited now. You might want to check. Also, I wanted to let everybody know, because I do this every time the market starts to go up. When the crypto markets go up, that's when the hackers start hacking exchanges and trying to hack people and get, because they want to try to steal your crypto. This applies to everybody listening to my voice. I'm going to put the link to this in the top of the description of this video. This is pure VPN. You've got to have an antivirus software, and you got to have a private virtual network, or virtual private network. I mean, what in the world? I'm going crazy here. Virtual private network. This is how you are able to surf the web anonymously. I've got one, and everybody who has a computer should have one this day and time. So anyway, they've got a deal right now where you can get 2 years of pure VPN for $2.45 a month. So go check that out. Link will be in the top of the description. I'm a digital asset investor. I'm not an investment advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please subscribe, hit the like button, tell your friends and family that they all need a VPN. Thanks for listening.